All right, let's jump right in. Today, we're doing a deep dive into Prostavive. It's a supplement that's getting a lot of attention for its promise to help men with prostate health and, improve that urinary flow. We're going to break down the science, look at what's inside, and see what it's all about.
So here's how we're going to tackle this. First, we'll talk about the struggle that so many guys are quietly dealing with. Then we'll get into a really interesting breakthrough about blood flow. From there, we'll see how Prostavive fits into the picture, check out its powerful formula, talk about the transformation it promises, and finally, how you can get it for yourself.
Okay, so let's get real for a second. For a lot of men, getting older brings on some frustrating issues that are way more than just a minor headache.
I mean, you got to ask yourself, right? Are you just tired of waking up again and again all night long? Feeling that hesitation, that lack of confidence when you're at the urinal? These little things, they start to add up and really take control of your day and your night.
And that's the thing, isn't it? This isn't just a bathroom problem, it's a domino effect. It wrecks your sleep, which kills your energy for the next day. It chips away at your confidence. It can even put a strain on your relationships and your love life. It really impacts your whole quality of life.
But what if we've been looking at this all wrong? Now let's get to the really fascinating part. There's some new science that's kind of flipping the script on this whole issue, pointing to a potential root cause that most people never even consider.
Check this out. A really recent study just from 2023 out of a medical university in Japan is pointing a finger at one key factor: poor blood flow. The thinking here is that a healthy prostate absolutely depends on healthy circulation. It's that simple.
So what's the secret sauce for good circulation? It's a tiny molecule called nitric oxide. Think of it like a traffic cop for your blood vessels. It tells them to relax and open up, creating a super highway for nutrient-rich blood to get where it needs to go.
And this is exactly why that's so crucial. When you support healthy nitric oxide levels, you're essentially ensuring that your prostate is getting a steady delivery of all the good stuff: the oxygen, the nutrients, the energy it needs to stay healthy and function at its best.
Which, of course, brings us right back to Prostavive, because this is the exact mechanism it's designed to support. It's all about targeting that blood flow.
You see, Prostavive's whole approach is to get to what they believe is the root cause. It's an all-natural formula packed with ingredients specifically chosen to help support blood circulation and keep the cells in your prostate healthy and thriving.
So, what's actually in this stuff? Let's pop the hood and take a look at the hand-picked ingredients that make this formula so powerful. First on the list is boron. Now, this isn't something you hear about every day, but this mineral is a real powerhouse. It's in here because it's known to support the body's natural detox process and help maintain a healthy inflammation response, both of which are critical for your prostate. Next up, Tongkat Ali. This stuff is legendary in Eastern medicine, and for good reason. For literally centuries, it's been the go-to for boosting male vitality, performance, and, you guessed it, promoting healthy blood circulation.
And then there's ashwagandha, another ancient herb with a track record that goes back thousands of years. It's famous for helping with performance, building lean muscle, and supporting the body's detoxification systems. Just an incredible all-around ingredient. But it's not just those three heavy hitters. Look at this lineup. You've got Panax Ginseng for blood flow, nettle root for urinary health, and essential minerals like zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D. It's like an all-star team of nutrients, all working together to give you the best possible results.
Okay, so let's cut to the chase. What does all of this actually mean for you? What kind of changes, what kind of transformation can you really expect to feel in your day-to-day life? Well, the whole idea is that when you get that blood flow optimized, everything else starts to click into place. We're talking about supporting a healthy prostate, for sure, but also a revived sex drive, a noticeable boost in energy and vitality, and deeper, more restful sleep. It's about feeling sharper, more confident, basically helping your body feel and function like it did years ago.
All right, so if this is sounding like something you want to explore, let's talk about the next steps. Let's cover how you can actually get your hands on Prostavive and start this journey.
Okay, let's look at the options. You can see right away that they really reward you for stocking up. The most popular choice is the 3-bottle supply, but the best value, by far, is the 6-bottle package. That brings the price way down to just $39 a bottle, which is a massive saving. And this is a big one, maybe the most important part. Every single order is backed by a 180-day, 100% money-back guarantee. That gives you a full 6 months to try it out for yourself, completely risk-free. If you're not happy for any reason at all, you get a full refund. That tells you they really stand behind their product.
So if you're ready to see what Prostavive can do for you, it's super simple. Just click the link right there in the description below. It'll take you straight to the official Prostavive website where you can place your secure order and get started on your own transformation.